So the different type of forces we have now is contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are those forces which exist when the two bodies are actually in physical contact. For example, I am giving you examples of contact forces, and what I explained was the bodies are actually in physical contact. Between them the force is acting. For example, one ball is striking another ball. So this ball is applying force on another ball, doesn't matter if it is at rest or in motion, one ball is hitting another ball. Okay, so the force will be acting between these two balls, but they have to be in physical contact so that one ball can apply force on the other. So that is what we mean by contact forces. So examples are, number one, frictional force. It is always when the bodies are in contact. Then normal reaction force, right? Then we have tensional force or tension. Lastly we have what do we have? Any other contact forces we know about? We have done frictional, we have done normal reaction, we have also done tensional forces. Okay, last one is the example I was giving you. This is collision, the collision forces. Now non-contact forces are those forces in which the bodies which are applying forces on each other are not necessarily to be in actual physical contact. So basically they are very long range, or sometimes they are very short range forces, but whatsoever bodies are in contact of this force, which is non-contact forces, or whatsoever bodies are in application of the non-contact force, they must not be necessarily in physical contact. So non-contact forces, example would be, you have already studied all these examples. We have gravitational force first of all, then we have electrostatic force. What else? Do we have any other force? Yes, we have magnetic force. So magnetic force is something which we are going to study in our coming chapters, whereas gravitational force you have already studied. So this is what we mean by contact and non-contact forces.